G'day everybody, got myself my Vegemite for this morning. Gonna make a sandwich and got told you want to see how it works. So this is the real stuff, don't buy anything else. There's some rubbish called Marmite, you don't want to touch it. This stuff is the real deal. This is the stuff they put straight on axles to keep them lubricated. Look at it, beautiful. So first, we won't start with Vegemite, we'll start with a little bit of butter. Makes your bread nice and soft. Bit of a smear there. And then we can load on the Vegemite. There we go. Get a good coverage. That's how it should look on the bread. Nice consistency. Bit on your thumb you can eat. And then straight down the gullet. All right, beautiful, fantastic. Keep you alive, that stuff. See you later.
I can't even believe you serve this. Oh, do you all really eat this? Or you just hold it for guests that are unsuspecting? Oh my God. That's about the worst thing I think I've ever put in my mouth in my life. I'm gonna go brush my teeth.